Nobody's display looks as good as J.K. Lynn.
I've been doing it for a while. Change it every year, dude. We got
Yeah, that is big time. That's roadies, exactly.
Old ladder, hon. Oh, damn, it dropped the screw.
That's roadies. That was great. I love that.
So it's all about. Red light ring.
Oh, I see. Okay. Down. They do make a good
So the shots
horse, don't they?
Yeah. I mean, I don't have a lot to compare it to, but it's pretty damn cool.
Do we need to air down it?
Hang on.
You didn't know the bear.
All right.
That was something else.
You're a very impressive driver.
Thank you.
You're a very impressive driver.
Thank you.
You're a very impressive driver.
Thank you. On the hill.
That don't sound right, and then smoke don't look right.
So that's what we're There's nobody on the other side.
Go sit up here for a second, get a little advertising.
Look at us.
And we're waiting on the next guy.
It's a nice view up here, though.
Yeah, I know. He is
Wait,
cool
wait,
as a
wait.
cucumber over here.
Yeah,
You
we're
get
waiting back because of us and
I don't think so.
so. Not quite.
Second driver, really sporty, balanced it out.
Really?
Yeah, right. What do you think?
Second driver balanced it out. I'm surprised we haven't said to you.
I
We're
can't.
harnessed.
You can't because your heart is in.
Huh?
Good job.
Bucket move.
Freaking awesome.
That was awesome. Teeter-totter was fun.
That was fun. You leveling it out was awesome though. Yeah.
A lot of them do, but not all of them. Probably very few do.
Yeah.
I would say this show has more mods than others. So,
You all right over there?
Steve, your sexiness factor just went through the roof.
Went through the roof.
Went through the roof. I gotta tell you.
Right.
I am so impressed.
All right.
Holy cow.
oh God, look at this one.
I know.
God damn it.
Holy shit, that was
First shot.
fabulous.
First shot.
Wow.
I wasn't sure about that one. That one looked gnarly.
Right, we made it.
That was awesome.
That was fun. I actually enjoyed it.
That was awesome. That was amazing. This guy over here can drive a Jeep.